In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable IMAP on Zoho Mail. To get started, sign into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside your inbox, head over to the right-hand sidebar and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the settings panel in a dialog box where you can manage different areas of your Zoho Mail account. When the settings window opens, make sure the category at the top left is set to Mail. In some cases, it may already open there automatically, but if not, just use the drop-down selector and choose Mail. This is important because the IMAP option is located within the Mail-specific settings. Next, look to the left side panel of the settings window. Here, you'll need to click either IMAP Access or Mail Accounts. The exact label can vary depending on the type of Zoho account you're using, so don't worry if you see one instead of the other. Both paths lead you to the same place. Once you're in the correct section, click the IMAP tab at the top. This is where you can control whether IMAP is available for your mailbox. To enable it, check the box for IMAP access. As soon as you do that, you may see two more options appear underneath. These options are for auto-expunged emails and including archived emails. If those options fit the way you want your mail to sync, you can check those boxes as well. For example, including archived emails can be useful if you want your full mailbox available from another email app. Auto-expunge behavior can also affect how deleted messages are handled, so it's a good idea to review these settings carefully before saving. After that, you can configure any additional IMAP preferences if needed, such as folder visibility. This gives you more control over which folders appear when your Zoho Mail account is connected to another email client. If you use multiple folders to organize your messages, this can help make your setup cleaner and easier to manage. Once everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. That will apply your changes and turn on IMAP for your account. And that's it. Your Zoho Mail account will now have IMAP enabled, allowing you to connect it with supported email apps and devices. If this setting doesn't seem to work right away, give it a moment and then refresh or try reconnecting your email client.